Ironstone Vineyards epitomizes community stewardship by blending multi-generational tradition with future-focused innovation. While enhancing Lodi's riparian habitats and achieving massive water and energy savings, their heart lies in their people. With staff tenures reaching 50 years, Ironstone invests in safety training, bilingual training, and professional development. Their impact extends beyond the vineyard, having raised over $1.2 million for youth agricultural programs to inspire future farmers. By tirelessly supporting the community, their employees, and the future of the planet, Ironstone Vineyards is the deserving winner of the 2026 California Green Medal Community Award. The California Green Medal Awards are presented by these fine organizations and sponsored by American Vineyard Magazine, Wine Business Monthly, Farm Credit, and Serotonin Creative Consultancy. Learn more about the 2026 and past recipients and get inspired at greenmedal.org.